Hi, good morning guys. Now time check 6:48 morning. But the sun too much shine. See? Too much sun. 6:48 a.m. Unloading the labor pipe this area. Oh, coming trailer. See, waiting also unloading. This one Alaton Sukol. If a broken time early coming also site 4:30 a.m. wake up, start the job my site 5:30 a.m. now see only 6:50 a.m. and the sunlight too much high, too much hot. 3 months also broken time early wake up and start my job at 5:30 a.m. now see $6.52. 3 months broken time here in Saudi Arabia.